Hello, today I have a problem. This door making a noise, so when I go to toilet, when I'm going to toilet, open the door and close the door, so will make this sound very noisy and will disturb my wife and even my baby sleeping. My baby sleeps. So tonight, I was wonder how to remove this sound, okay, without opening the the hinge. Okay, so what we need is simple WD-40. Okay, so here we do this. Okay, spray. All right. Okay, another one here. Okay, we test the sound. Okay, still making quite an improvement, but still making a little sound. So we try. Okay, it's okay here. Okay, I think we have to spray at another side as well. Oh. Okay, done. No noise. Okay. That's how we do that. All right. Thank you.